Imagine walking into work tomorrow morning and meeting a new coworker, one that never needs a coffee break, never gets tired, never calls in sick, and can keep working around the clock. Sounds impressive, right? Now, here's the part that rarely makes the headlines. That same robot might take years to become profitable. It could require millions of dollars in investment before delivering a return. And in some cases, it might make mistakes so unexpected that an entire production line has to stop while humans step in to fix the problem. For decades, we've heard two completely different stories about workplace robots. One says robots are coming for everyone's jobs. The other says they'll solve labor shortages and make work easier for everyone. But the reality is far more complicated and far more interesting than either of those narratives. Today, we're uncovering the things nobody tells you about workplace robots. The hidden costs, the surprising advantages, the unexpected failures, and the realities behind the machines quietly reshaping modern workplaces. And by the end of this video, you may see the future of work very differently. Workplace robots are no longer a glimpse of the future. They're already here. From factories and warehouses to hospitals, restaurants, farms, and even office environments, automation is expanding at an incredible pace. Industrial robots now perform millions of tasks every day across the globe. Modern warehouses rely on fleets of autonomous machines moving products from one location to another. Artificial intelligence is helping automate processes that many people once believed only humans could perform. Yet despite all the attention automation receives, most people never see what actually happens when robots enter a workplace, because the biggest changes aren't always visible. The real story unfolds behind the scenes, in workflows, operations, maintenance systems, and the way humans and machines interact every day. And that story starts with one of the biggest myths surrounding automation. Robots don't usually replace entire jobs. When people imagine automation, they often picture a robot completely taking over someone's role. In reality, that's rarely how it works. Most jobs are made up of dozens of different tasks. Take a warehouse worker, for example. They don't just move boxes, they inspect products, they communicate with co-workers, they solve unexpected problems, they make decisions. They handle exceptions when things don't go according to plan. Robots are often very good at one or two of those activities, and surprisingly poor at the rest. As a result, robots typically replace specific repetitive tasks rather than entire jobs. And that creates an interesting outcome. Instead of spending time on routine activities, many employees end up focusing more on problem-solving, coordination, oversight, and decision-making. In some industries, workers don't disappear when robots arrive. They become supervisors, operators, and managers of automated systems. It's less about humans competing against machines and more about humans working alongside them. But that leads to another reality that often goes unnoticed. Robots create new jobs most people never see. Whenever a company introduces robots, a whole new set of responsibilities appears. Someone has to program the machines. Someone has to maintain them. Someone has to monitor performance. Someone has to troubleshoot failures. Someone has to analyze the data being generated. And someone has to redesign workflows so everything functions efficiently. A single automated system can create demand for technicians, software engineers, maintenance specialists, systems analysts, safety experts, and operations managers. What's fascinating is that many of these positions barely existed a few decades ago. One example is the growing demand for robot integration specialists, professionals who understand both the technical side of automation and the operational needs of a business. The result is a much more complicated picture than most discussions about automation suggest. Certain tasks disappear, but entirely new career paths emerge at the same time. That doesn't mean the transition is always smooth. Automation can absolutely disrupt existing jobs and industries, but the reality is far more nuanced than the simple idea that robots eliminate jobs and nothing replaces them. And speaking of complexity, here's something even more surprising. Robots are expensive, really expensive. Most people assume companies install robots because they instantly save money. The reality is often very different. In many cases, purchasing the robot is actually one of the smaller expenses. The real costs begin after the machine arrives. Companies often need to invest in installation, infrastructure upgrades, software platforms, employee training, maintenance programs, safety systems, technical support, and system integration. There's also the cost of downtime while the new technology is being deployed and tested. In some situations, the total implementation cost can be several times higher than the robot's purchase price. Before a robot performs a single productive task, a company may have already invested hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars into making the system operational. And if the deployment doesn't go as planned, those losses can become significant very quickly, which brings us to something automation vendors don't always emphasize. Robots fail more often than you think. Popular media often portrays robots as flawless machines. Reality tells a different story. Robots can malfunction, sensors can fail, software can crash, cameras can become blocked, algorithms can misinterpret information, unexpected objects can confuse automated systems. Sometimes even small environmental changes can create surprisingly large problems. A box positioned slightly differently than expected, a damaged barcode, a change in lighting conditions, a reflective surface that interferes with a sensor. Any one of these factors can disrupt an automated process, and in highly automated facilities, a single failure can create ripple effects throughout an entire operation. That's one reason many companies continue to keep human workers nearby. Humans remain the ultimate backup system. They handle exceptions, adapt to unexpected situations, and solve problems that robots can't. And those exceptions occur far more frequently than most people realize. The most valuable skill isn't what you think. Many workers worry that surviving in an automated future means becoming a programmer or robotics engineer. But employers are increasingly discovering something unexpected. Technical skills are important. Adaptability may be even more important. The employees who thrive alongside automation are often the ones who can quickly learn new systems, solve unfamiliar problems, communicate effectively, think critically, make sound judgments, and remain productive when circumstances change. Robots excel at repetition. Humans excel at flexibility. And as automation expands, flexibility becomes increasingly valuable. In other words, success may depend less on competing with robots and more on learning how to work effectively with them. But here's a fact that sounds almost impossible at first. Some robots have fewer working hours than humans. Wait a minute, aren't robots supposed to work non-stop? Technically, yes, practically not always. Robots require maintenance. They need software updates. They need calibration. They need inspections, repairs, cleaning, and safety checks. Some systems spend substantial amounts of time offline simply to remain reliable and safe. In highly complex operations, downtime becomes a major challenge. Companies quickly discover that keeping robots productive requires continuous support and attention. The machine itself may never get tired, but the ecosystem supporting that machine certainly can. And that support ecosystem is becoming an industry in its own right. The robot economy is bigger than the robots. Here's something most people rarely consider. The robotics industry isn't just made up of robot manufacturers. It's also supported by software developers, sensor manufacturers, semiconductor companies, battery producers, cloud computing providers, cybersecurity firms, maintenance contractors, training organizations, research institutions, and consulting companies. Every robot deployed into a workplace creates demand throughout a much larger network of businesses. Automation doesn't simply change individual jobs, it reshapes entire economic ecosystems, and that transformation is accelerating across industries around the world. Yet despite all this progress, one major obstacle continues to limit what robots can do. Robots still struggle with common sense. Humans tend to take common sense for granted. Robots don't have that luxury. A person can walk into a situation they've never encountered before and often understand what's happening almost immediately. Robots typically cannot. Imagine a package unexpectedly falls onto the floor. A human instantly recognizes the problem and responds. A robot may not fully understand the situation at all. Even highly advanced AI systems can struggle when faced with unpredictable real-world scenarios. This remains one of the biggest barriers to complete automation. Despite remarkable technological advances, machines still lack much of the intuitive understanding that humans develop naturally through experience, and that's one reason many experts believe fully autonomous workplaces remain farther away than headlines often suggest. Automation can actually make work safer. One of the most overlooked benefits of automation is safety. Robots are increasingly assigned to dangerous tasks, heavy lifting, toxic environments, extreme temperatures, hazardous materials, high-risk inspections, and repetitive motions that can lead to long-term injuries. By taking over these activities, robots can help reduce workplace accidents and improve overall safety conditions. In many cases, workers aren't removed from the workforce. They're moved into safer roles. For companies, fewer injuries can mean lower costs, fewer disruptions, and improved productivity. It's one of the strongest practical arguments for automation. But safety introduces another challenge. Cyber attacks can shut down robots. As robots become increasingly connected, they inherit a new vulnerability: cybersecurity threats. A modern workplace robot isn't simply a machine. It's a computer connected to software systems, databases, sensors, and communication networks, and that connectivity creates potential attack surfaces. A successful cyber attack can halt production, disrupt logistics, interfere with operations, and cause significant financial losses. As a result, cybersecurity has become a critical component of industrial automation. Some organizations now invest heavily in protecting automated systems from digital threats. Because as automation expands, the stakes continue to grow. And that leads to perhaps the biggest lesson of all. The future isn't human or robot, it's human and robot. One of the most common misconceptions about workplace automation is the idea that there must be a winner and a loser. Either humans win or robots win. But that's not what we're seeing across many industries. The most successful workplaces increasingly combine the strengths of both. Robots handle repetitive tasks. Humans contribute creativity. Robots provide consistency. Humans provide judgment. Robots process data. Humans provide context. Robots execute processes. Humans innovate and improve them. Rather than replacing people entirely, many organizations are building hybrid workforces where humans and machines complement one another. This collaborative model is becoming one of the defining characteristics of the modern economy, and it's evolving faster than many people realize. So, what are the things nobody tells you about workplace robots? They rarely replace entire jobs. They create industries around themselves. They cost far more than most people expect. They fail more often than headlines suggest. They still struggle with common sense. They require ongoing human oversight. They can make workplaces safer. They introduce cybersecurity risks. And perhaps most importantly, they're transforming work in ways that are far more complex than simple predictions about job loss or job creation. The future of work isn't a battle between humans and machines. It's an evolving partnership. The workers, companies, and industries that understand that reality will be best positioned to thrive in the years ahead. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more explorations of the technologies shaping our world. And here's a question for you. If a robot joined your workplace tomorrow, what's the very first task you'd want it to handle? Let us know in the comments. Your answer might reveal more about the future of work than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.